Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and MosenMetals.com here at our retail store, and really excited about all the people that are supporting us. And we ship trusses across the nation. We're engineered in 24 states. The steel trusses have just been a great phenomenon for people who are looking for just a great price point. Being able to build a building they can handle themselves. We go up to 80-foot clear span with our trusses. And they're real simple, so that's why everybody's liking them. They're made out of angled steel, primed in red oxide primer, as you can see here. We go up to, like I said, 80 foot. We go as small as 12 foot. We've got shed trusses. We got gable trusses. Our shed trusses go up to 30 foot. They're one solid piece. And so we can do any size that you're looking for on any kind of building that you're looking for. We completely enclose the buildings. The trusses, you can figure about $11 a linear foot up to 34-foot clear span. And our trusses, 34-foot clear span, you can go up to 12-foot spacing. And a lot of our farmers and agriculture people, they like that because they can come in from the side of their building, with the tractor implements. And then all of our horse arenas and things like that, people want to build their stalls like 12 by 12 stalls, so that works out perfect. And then once the trusses get over 34 foot, we go to the 2-inch angled American certified steel. We don't use any salvage or B grade type steel. We're using American certified steel, and that's not like that. And our trusses are not like everybody else's out there. You can figure, sometimes if you're buying a Kia, you're buying a Kia, but if you're buying a Cadillac, you're buying from Moses and Stroud. So that's the way we work. We want to have a great product out there, and that's why we've got a good reputation. But anyway, as I was saying, you can figure $4.95 a square foot for the complete roof kit. That's all your trusses, that's all your 6x6 posts, that's all your metal roofing, your 2x6 yellow pine purlins, that's your trim, your gable trim, eave trim, fascia trim, all your trims to cover all your wood. I mean, that's the complete building kit. And we offer discounts for our veterans and our public safety officials and people like that. So call us up. We got special prices and sales going on all the time. You can always reach me at 828-413-4201. And then if you're looking for a complete building, we do those also. The complete building, like the roof and the walls and everything, you can figure about $750 to $775 a square foot. That includes the insulation, all your vertical siding metal, your 2x6 girts going up the side. That's all your corner trim, your wrap trim. That's everything, like a box on the ground. Man, you can't beat that price. It's incredible. Now, the doors and the windows and concrete are separate, and the labor and those kind of things. But we do offer all those kind of things. But a lot of times people want their own windows or doors, or they're getting something specific, because we do have roll-up doors and those kind of things. And then we do installs. So give me a call. We ship all across the country. And we're excited about what's going on here. We're excited that we can offer a product that most people can handle and do themselves on a weekend. You don't have a header truss, and you don't have a header to put the trusses every 2 foot apart. We go up to 10-foot and 12-foot spacing. So it's really a nice system, a great system for building a pole barn or garages, houses, whatever you're going to do. We're going to shoot these to you for great prices. So give me a call at 828-413-4201, and God bless you.